In my content creation journey, I partner with solution provider that simplifies business process. Xero makes accounting easy for small business. It offers real-time financial insight, streamlined invoice, and seamless expense track. I partnered with them, and below is my affiliate link. Using it supports my content creation at no extra cost to you. If you're looking to simplify your finances, Xero's platform is designed to help business thrive. Login is simple. After you go and click on the link which is given in the description, you will come to this page where you will be shown this 90% discount. Then once you sign in, you will come to this dashboard. You will come to this dashboard, and unless you connect your bank account, you will not see balances and statements. And then account to watch list, you'll be able to see the account watch list like how it is shown here. And then you can also add budget if you want. Then you'll also see invoices owed to you, bills you need to pay. So all these transactions in a singular dashboard. So this the business accounting project contact tabs. They are core section to the platform. Basically simplifies and streamlines the essential business function. And here is the breakdown on tips on how you can use and leverage each business tab. This tab is hub for your day-to-day business operation. It allows you to manage invoicing, bill, code, purchase order. This is where you will handle all transactions with customers and suppliers. You can go for advanced users as your business is growing, and you can go for complex billing needs. You can streamline recurring invoices, bulk invoice processing, etc. And this is also one place to manage purchase order, especially useful for inventory heavy businesses. Accounting tab, this is where all your financial tasks like bank reconciliation, report, journal entries will come into play. And these are essential for tracking income, expenses, and tax related information. You can go advanced with the use of accounting tab to generate custom report, manage multiple currency transaction, and also set up cash flow projection. So the advanced user often rely on it for tax planning, budgeting, and monthly financial closeouts. Project tab, this lets user manage project-based work by tracking time, cost, profitability, and it's particularly valuable for service-based business that charge by an hour or by deliverables. So as an advanced use, you can optimize the project tab to estimate project profitability by forecasting expenses and comparing them to the income payment. As an advanced user, you can leverage time tracking feature and cost allocation tools to accurately build client and manage project budgets. Contact tab, as the name suggests, it's a central address book for customers, suppliers, and vendors. It makes it easy to track interactions and transaction with each of the contact. As an advanced user, you can look for businesses with multiple contact touch points. Advanced users can categorize contact by type, add custom notes. You can track financial histories. That way improve the customer relation and vendor management. When you're just starting, you can begin with business and accounting tabs to keep track of invoice and basic accounting needs. As you're growing with the business, you can use the project tab to handle complex work with client, and the contact tab to improve customer and vendor relationship. And then once you have an established company, you can use advanced features across all tabs like multiple currency support, custom reporting, profitability tracking, and this will help established business gain deeper insight to optimizing the operation. So each of these tabs offers a powerful tool to help a business automate, manage, and grow effectively. As a business owner, my goal is to provide real insight into product that streamlines operations and drive growth. So you can focus on what matters most, that is scaling your business. Below is my affiliate link to access the discount mentioned in this startup video. You can also check out my website where I have organized everything for businesses and business owners. Thanks for watching.